Ever wondered how a bird can speak human words? Or why your pet parrot seems to know exactly when you're having a bad day? Hi everyone, I'm Sarah, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of parrot intelligence. These colorful birds aren't just pretty faces. They're some of the smartest creatures in the animal kingdom. Let's explore what makes parrots the true brainiacs of the sky. First off, let's take a closer look at the parrot brain structure. Now, you might think that because birds have relatively small brains, they wouldn't be that smart. But here's the kicker. Parrots pack an impressive number of neurons into their compact skulls. In fact, scientists have found that parrot brains are structured similarly to primate brains. The area controlling vocal learning, known as the pallium, is particularly well developed. Think of it as their version of our brain's speech center. It's like they've got a little voice box in their heads, just waiting to be filled with words. And speaking of speech, let's talk about their amazing language abilities. Take Alex, the African Grey Parrot, for instance. This little genius learned over 100 words and could identify colors, shapes, and numbers. But here's the incredible part. He didn't just mimic. He could actually form simple sentences and answer questions. Imagine having a conversation with a bird. And remember Einstein, the talking parrot who graced our TV screens? He mastered over 200 words and phrases, making him a true celebrity in the avian world. It's astounding to think that these feathered friends can communicate in ways we often take for granted. Now, let's move on to their problem-solving skills, which are nothing short of impressive. In a study conducted at Vienna University, Goffin's cockatoos demonstrated their cleverness by figuring out how to use multiple tools in sequence. They had to use a stick to get another stick, which then helped them reach food. Talk about a feathered MacGyver. And if you think that's cool, wild parrots in New Zealand have been spotted using tools to groom themselves. They hold small sticks with their feet and use them to comb their feathers. It's like they're giving themselves a spa day, all thanks to their ingenuity. Now let's talk about their social smarts. Parrots live in complex social groups in the wild, forming strong bonds with their flock members. They can recognize individual birds by their calls, and they even have different names for each other, unique contact calls that help them identify their friends. Imagine having a whole crew of feathered pals who know you by name. It's a reminder of just how social and interconnected these birds are, much like us humans. And here's something mind-blowing about self-awareness. Put a mirror in front of most animals, and they think they're seeing another creature. But parrots, like dolphins and great apes, can recognize themselves. They use mirrors to explore parts of their body they can't normally see. Some parrots even use reflections to check their appearance. It's almost like they're saying, "Hey, look at me, I'm fabulous." So there you have it. Parrots are truly remarkable creatures. Their intelligence rivals that of young children in many ways, and their ability to communicate and problem solve is nothing short of astonishing. If you've enjoyed learning about these amazing birds, hit that like button. Share your own parrot stories in the comments below. Have you ever met a talking parrot? Tell us about it. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating animal facts. Until next time, keep looking up. You might just spot one of these flying geniuses.